Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Affinity. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually bring in your base image, and then we can come in the left hand panel, click on this text icon, and then you can go ahead and bring in your image, or you can go ahead and type in text. I'll just go ahead and type in watermark for this example, and then we'll go ahead and change the color to white, and I'll just go ahead and increase the size so it's more visible. Let's make this one bold. Now, to actually turn this into a watermark, what you need to actually do is you need to just come here on the right hand panel, make sure you have selected your text. I want you to click on this drop down, and I want you to change this to overlay. As you can see now, I can bring this anywhere, and it basically works as a watermark. And of course, you can go ahead and bring down the opacity as well if you want to do that. Let's keep it at 50%. And that is what it would look like. Of course, you can adjust the size of this as well. But that is how to add watermark in Affinity. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.